Good morning to all. Welcome back to the mathematics class. So, today, which class? Yes, it's a mathematics class. Today, we are going to learn the chapter 5. Do you know the name of the chapter? Yes, look here. What is this? What is this? Yes, can you name the chapter? We are going to learn. Yes, money. Very good. We are going to learn the money. So in the standard third, we are learned the terms used in money. Which are the terms we are using in the money? Yes. Which are the terms? Money can be two terms we are using in the money. It's a paisa. Yes. First one is paisa and the second one is Second one is rupee. Second one is rupee. Paisa can be denoted as P. How do you denote the paisa? P. Paisa means we are using the coins. Now rupee. Now we can take coins or rupees. 10 rupee coins are there. In older days, olden days we have only paisa as the coins. Is it clear? Now we can see rupees as a coin today. Is it clear? Today we can see the rupees coins. So paisa means P, rupee. How do you denote? What is the symbol of rupee? Yeah, rupee. This is the symbol of rupee. Is it clear? Then what is the relation between paisa and rupee? What is the relation between paisa? There is a relation between paisa and rupee. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to how much paisa? Yes, 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. These are the things we learned in the standard 3. Here now we are going to change rupee to paisa. That means we are going to change rupee to paisa means we are multiplying rupee by 100. How you have to convert rupee to paisa? Multiply the given amount into 100. Is it clear? So the first question. Look, here is the first question. Rupee 1. Yes, rupee 1. How much paisa? Yes, it's 100 paisa. Rupee 1 is 100 paisa. Then, second question, rupees 15. What you have to do? Yes, rupee, the given amount is 15. 15 into 100. So, say the answer, 15 into 100. How much you are getting there? Yes, 1500 paisa. Listen, when you are writing the amount, you have to write with the P. Is it clear? So paisa and rupee is important thing. When you are writing rupee, you have to write that the representation or symbol of rupees. If you are writing the paisa, you have to write with the amount with the P. Then third question. Yes, rupees 7.50. So how do you write it? Yes, you have to remove the point, isn't it? Then how much you are getting that? You have to remove this point. So how much you are getting there? How much you are getting there? You have to remove this. So convert into paisa. So if there is a point, what you have to do? You have to remove this point. Remove this point. Then you have to write these three numbers together without any space. Is it clear? So your answer is 750 paisa. Then fourth question. Yes, fourth question. Rupees 5.09. The decimal. This is a decimal. The concept of decimal we are learning in the later class. Is it clear? Now just what we are doing we did in the third standard. We are removing the point in between the numbers, isn't it? So then what is your answer? You have to remove that point. So how much you are getting there? Yes, 509 paisa. So fifth question. Here is the fifth question, rupees 81. What you have to do? You have to just multiply by 100. So, what is the answer? 8,100 paisa. So, this is the recap we learned in the third standard. Then, next is also recap we learned in the third standard, change paisa into rupee. So, how do you do the how do you convert paisa into rupee? Just divided by 100. Is it clear? Just you have to divide it by 100. The given amount divided by 100. So, the first question. 700 paisa. What you have to do? When you are divided by 100, what happens? When you are dividing by 100, so you have to remove the digits in the tens and ones, isn't it? You have to remove the digits in the tens and ones. Is it clear? So, how much you are getting there? If you are dividing by 100, yes, say the answer. If you are removing by 100, how much you are getting? So, how much you are getting there? Yes, try to say the answer. How much? Yes, you are getting the answer as so you have to remove the places, the digits in the tens and ones. How much your answer? Rupees 7. Clear? Second, question number 2. Yes. How much? 2,300 paisa. Which are the places you have to remove? Last two places, ones and tens. So how much? What is remaining there? Yes. Your answer is 23 rupees. Then third question. 4,150. Here we are, what you have to do? Here is 0, 0. We can't take, there is no need to write the 0, 0 for the rupees, isn't it? So for this you have to remove. So here you have to remove, divided by 100 means you are getting, you have to remove ones and tens places. You have to remove these two places, but 50 has the value, we can't throw it out. Is it clear? So we have to write how much, how do we write the answer? How do you write the answer? If you are divided by 100, yes, how do you write the answer? If divided by 100, you are dividing by 100 means you have to remove last two places, that is 50. 50 has the value, so we can't throw it out. You have to write rupees and paisa. Then what you have to do? You have to just put a point before the tens place. Clear? 50 has the value, so you have to write, you have to put a point just before the tens place. So your answer is rupees 41.50. Then fourth question. 999 paisa. Fourth question is 999 paisa. What you have to do? Divide by 100 means you have to put a point just before the tens place. So what is the answer? Yes, very good. So rupees 9.99. Then the fifth question is 5,600 paisa. What you have to do? 0, 0 has no value, so can remove it. So what is your answer? Say the answer. Yes, very good. The answer is rupees 56. Clear? So here we are going to do the addition and subtraction of word problem of money. Addition and subtraction of money. So the first question is, Mr. John went to a furniture. So listen, for the word problem, you have to read the question at least for 5 times. After that, you have to write the answer. Is it clear? So how many times you have to read the question? 5 times, at least 5 times. So our question is, first question, Mr. John went to a furniture shop, bought a sofa set for rupees 12,000.90 and a dining table for rupees 8,000.60. Find the total amount spent. Find the total amount spent. So total means what calculation you have to do there? Yes, total means you have to do the addition here, isn't it? So what is the first step? Read the first line. First line will be the first step. Yes. What he bought from the furniture shop? Yes, sofa. So what is the first step? Cost of a sofa set. So what is the cost of a sofa set? Rupees? Yes, 12,000.90. Then next, cost of a dining table. Cost of a dining table is how much? Yes, rupees 8,000.60. What will be the third step? The last line. Total amount he spent. Yes, total amount he spent. Yes. How do you do it? Total amount. Just add these two numbers. Listen. Then rupees 12,000.90 plus, listen, here we have 5-digit number. Here is the 4-digit. There is a 8,000 is 4-digit number. Here is the 5-digit. After point, the digits are same. So first you have to write the point. After point, 60 is there, isn't it? You have to write the same number there. You have to write same number there. First put a point. Then you have to write 60. Then here is the ones place. So you have to write 0 just below the ones place of the first number. Then 0, then next 0, then 8. Otherwise, your calculation will be wrong. Is it clear? It's very carefully you have to write there. So how much is there? So you are getting there rupees. You are getting there rupees 8,000.60. So now you have to add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0. Yes, 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 9 plus 6, yes, 15. So carryover is there, isn't it? 15. So carryover, the ones place just below above the ones place, you have to write the carryover. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then, sorry, before that you have to put a point. It's important. If there is a point, you have to put a point. After that, you have to do the add the digit in the ones place. So, sorry, yes. So, 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1 itself. So, then, the digit in the tens place, 0 plus 0. Yeah, I'm getting 0. Then, hundreds place, 0 plus 0, 0. Then, put a comma. Thousands place, 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Again, you are getting a carry over there, isn't it? 1. So, 1 plus 1 is the 2. So, how much total cost, total amount spent is 21 point. So, 21 point. 20,000 1.50. 20,000 1.50. Is it clear? Then, next question. So, read out. Mr. Ali deposited rupees 20,735.75 in the bank. In the bank, his brother deposited rupees 16,098.48 in the bank. Find the total amount deposited by them in the bank. Read out the question once again. Mr. Ali deposited rupees 20,735.75 in the bank. His brother deposited rupees 16,098.48 in the bank. Find the total amount deposited by them in the bank. So, what will be the first step? What is the first line? Yes. What is the first line? The total amount deposited by Mr. Ali. So, how much? Yes. How much? Rupees 20,735.75. Next, what is the second step? Yes, the total amount deposited by his brother. How much? Yes, it's the 16,098.48. 16,098.48. Clear? Then, what's the last step? What should be the last step? Total amount deposited by them. Last line is the last step. Total amount deposited by them. Yes. How much? How do you find out total amount? Yes. Do the addition. Yes. Yes. Rupees 20,735.75 plus, yes, rupees 16,098.48. So, what is the answer? How do you do it? How do you do it? Add it. 5 plus 8 is? 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8? Yes, 13. So, carryover 1 is here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Again, we are getting the carryover 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. Again, we are getting carryover 1. So here is the carryover 1. Here is the carryover 1. Here is the other carryover 1. So 8 plus 5 is 13. We are getting carryover 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Again, we are getting carryover as 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. Again, we are getting carryover as 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9 is 4 plus 9, 13. Again, we are getting carryover as 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. And put a comma. 0 plus 6, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. Then write the symbol of rupee. So clear? So this is our answer. So how do you read it? I told you if there is a point, you have to put a point there. So clear? So rupees 36,834.23. What is your answer? Rupees 36,834.23. So next question. Mr. Sachin earns rupees 73,000.70 per month. His monthly expenditure is rupees 52,614.38 and he saves the rest. How much is his savings? How much is his savings? How do you find out? How much he earns? How much amount he earns? Rupees 73.70. How much he spent? Rupees 52,614.38. So, how do you find out the savings? Yes, total is given there, expenditure is given there, expenditure is given there. How do you find out the saving? Yes, very good. Do the subtraction, isn't it? You have to do the subtraction. So, what will be the first step? First step. Yes, the amount Mr. Sachin earns. The amount Mr. Sachin earns. How much? Yes, rupees 73,000.70. 70. Second step, his expenditure, isn't it? His monthly expenditure. His monthly expenditure is how much? Rupees 52,614.38. Then how much is savings? Third step is savings. How do you find the savings? Do the subtraction. So which is a greater number? So rupees 73,000.70 minus expenditure rupees 52,614.38. Subtraction. Subtract it. Could you subtract? Yes. 0 minus 8. So 0 is smaller. You can't do. You have to borrow. For the subtraction, you have to borrow. So 7 becomes 6. This 10. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8. Yes. 2. 6 minus 3. 3. Then put there's a point. It's an important thing. You have to put a point there. So it is a decimal. You are learning later. 0 minus 4. You can't do it. So you have to borrow from this 3, isn't it? So 3 changes to, borrow from 3 means 3 changes to 2. Then this 0 changes to 10. Then again, here is 0. Again you have to cancel this 10. Borrow from 10. This becomes 9. This becomes 10. Here again you have to borrow from 10. So you have to cancel the 10. You have to write it there, 9. Then the 0 becomes 10. Isn't it? 10 minus 4. Yes, 10 minus 4. Very good. It's a 6. Then 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Very good. 0. 7 minus 5. Yes, good. So you are getting important thing. You have to write the symbol of rupee. So rupee 20,386.32. Clear? 32. Next question. Here is the next question. Mr. Smith bought a television for rupees 67,504 and a mobile phone for rupees 45,670. How much did he pay for the television? How much more did he pay for the television? How much more? What? We learned in the subtraction lesson. How much more means what you have to do? Yes, the statement is how much more. You have to do the subtraction. So what is the first step? So try to say the first step. Read the first line. Yes. First line is the first step. Cost of a television. How much? It's rupees 67,504. Second step. Cost of a mobile phone. How much? Rupees 45,670. Then what will be the third step? How much more? Yeah, the more amount he has to pay for. He has to pay. How much more he has to pay? How do you find out? Yes, rupees 67,504. Yes, yeah. Minus then rupees 45,607. Sorry, 670. What is the answer? What will be the answer? 4 minus 0, 4. 0 minus 7. Can you do it? No. So what you have to do? You have to do the borrowing. So 5 becomes 4. Then 0 changes to 10. This 0 changes to 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then 4 minus 6. Again 4 is a smaller number. You have to borrow for the subtraction. This becomes 6. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. So rupee symbol. Yes. So what is your answer? 21,834. So clear? The answer is. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 21,000 rupees. 21,000. Yes, 834. So that's all for today's class. God bless you. Thank you.